And we are off in this next qualification match. Already we have Ratchet Rockers placing a piece of coral onto L4 and coming back to do it again. We have Lutheran Robotics looking to see if they can line up a score into L4 as well. Looks like they may not before time expires. Third one placed by Ratchet Rockers as our clock hits 0. Right out of the gate on the blue side of the field, we have Iron Lions placing their preloaded coral onto L4. Ratchet Rockers grab a piece of algae, place a new coral, and they will process that algae that they just collected. We have a score of 35-26 with 2 minutes remaining favoring our Blue Alliance. 25-06 Saber putting a piece of algae high, coming back to grab another one, clearing the way for their alliance partners to score more coral. Over on the blue side of the field, a piece of algae has been removed from their reef by Ratchet Rockers. Alliance partner 10322 grabbing some, looks like they have a piece of coral. They dislodge it and are going to go back for another one as they advance their score. Ratchet Rockers a little high-sided on a piece of algae. We'll see if they can get themselves dislodged as action continues. Alliance partner for Blue, Iron Lions, continuing to plug away at some algae and also putting coral onto their reef. Back over on the red side of the field, we have some good efforts happening from 2506 Saber, continuing to put algae up into their barge. Seems that they have chosen to go for maximizing their point differential scored with algae by going straight to the barge rather than to the processor first. Alliance partners for red continuing to pluck away at the rungs on their reef. L4 is a score that's being attempted by the Lutheran Robotics. Meanwhile, their alliance partner 3792 plugging away at L1. With under a minute to go in our match, 45 seconds to go, our score is 94 for red to 87 for blue. We have a number of algae that have been put into the processor on the Blue Alliance, and it looks like a few for red as well. As cooperation has been reached, this means that only 3 levels need to be achieved, 5 pieces of coral on each for each of these alliances to achieve an additional bonus ranking point. Prioritizing now their L4 is the Blue Alliance. They have all but 2, maybe 3 rungs filled on their side of the field. We have about 20 seconds to contested high-scoring match, 110 for red, 115 for blue. We have one robot with a deep hang for red, another parked. We have one robot that might have a high hang, one more attempting, and one parked for blue. And we'll see if Lutheran Robotics can make their way to the barge to score some points as time expires. Looks like they will not. Our clock is hit 0. Our score is 2-1. It's our Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance with a score of 144-124. Congratulations to our Blue Alliance. They have received 3 ranking points for the match win, 1 for their efforts in audio, 1 for the points that they scored.